Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are enjoying the lockdown days with more creativity and innovation. Yes. So myself Neha Bafna here. I am a storyteller. I am here with a very interesting story. Yes. So without wasting time, let's start our beautiful story. Yes. So the name of the story is The Old Woman and the Genie. Yes, Genie. Yes. Once upon a time there lived an old woman with a big white with a big brown dog. Yes. So one day the old woman had to go up the mountain to meet her daughter. Yes, her daughter used to live over there and she has to walk a lot, and she was so old lady. Yes, she what did she do? She left her dog behind and set off. Yes, and there out of nowhere appeared a big genie, a monster, a genie. Can you see this genie? Yes. The genie said the old woman was a bit tensed of it. Yes, and she said, "Hello, Genie. How are you? I am going to my daughter's house to eat laddus and vadas." Yes, children, all of you enjoy laddus and vadas. What about you? The genie said, "I am coming to eat you." The old woman was thinking, what do I do? What do I do? How do I save myself? Yes, whenever we are in a trouble, we always think of an idea, no? So the same way, the old woman thought, what do I do? How should I escape from here? Yes. Now, so the old woman said, let me do one thing. I am so thin. Let me go to my daughter's place and eat laddus and vadas and then come back. Yes, this is the only way I have to come back. There is no other way. Oh, so Genie started thinking, what is this old lady saying? Is it right? Yes. So the genie said, "All right then, you go. I'll be waiting for you." Yes. And then what happened? The old woman reached her daughter's house, and the daughter was very happy. She was very excited to meet her mama. Yes. She told, "Mama, you are here. I love you so much. I missed you so much. I have something for you." Yes. So the old lady spent quality time with her daughter. She was there. She was there for like one day. Yes. And she enjoyed every bit of time. She had laddus and vadas and enjoyed the delicious food what her daughter made for her. Yes. And then finally, when the time came to go back to her house, she was very upset. Yes. Why was she upset? You also know it, na? Yes. She was upset because she told her daughter the whole story, what happened when she was coming to her house. And she said that when I go back, I am going to be eaten up by the genie. Yes. And she told her the whole story. Yes. Then her daughter had a brilliant idea. Yes, she had a very good idea. What did she do? She had a big drum with her. Yes, and she asked her mom, this was the drum, and she told her mom, her mother, to go inside the drum. Yes, see children, that is how she was inside the drum. She told, I will put you inside the drum. Yes. And then what happened next? I know you all are very excited, huh? Yes. And she put her mother inside and closed it tightly. Yes. And then she sent the drum rolling down the mountain. The old woman inside, it got very scared. Yes, as it was rolling down, it was rolling very faster as there was a slope. Yes, and then she got little more scared, and then she started singing to herself. Yes, roll my drum, roll my drum, roll my drum and roll along. Roll my drum, roll my drum, roll my drum and roll along. Pippity pum pum, roll my drum. Pippity pum pum, roll my drum. Pippity pum pum, roll my drum. Pippity pum pum, roll along. And as the drum came rolling down, and as the drum rolling past the genie was watching, and suddenly he realized drums cannot sing. Yes, that's true, no? The drums cannot sing. Stop! And the drum, he said, who are you? I am a drum, please. Please let me go. The old woman said from inside the drum. Oh no, you are not. I know you are the old lady now. Come out of the drum. I am going to eat you up right now. And then the old woman told the drum that until you say the magic words, I am not going to come out. So magic words, okay. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. Then, not that silly. You have to carefully say the magic words and hear carefully. Yes. And you know, children, whenever anyone says you something, always listen to it very carefully. Okay? So, yes. So the old woman said, come here, my dog. Okay, the genie said, okay, this is very simple. I will repeat it by itself. Come here, my dog. The genie shouted, and the old lady's dog immediately came out of the house, and it came running, and the genie was running behind the dog. It was chasing and chasing and chasing, but it could not. He was so scared that the genie ran away from there. Yes, the genie ran away, and thus the old lady was saved from the evil genie. Yes, and finally the old woman reached her home safely. So, children, did you enjoy the story? I hope you all liked it. So that was the story of an old woman and the genie. Yes, so at the end of the story, I have few things to share with you. Yes, so it just now struck into my mind that never give up. The old woman was so old to escape herself, but still she did not give up. And you know what happened finally? She won it, and she happily reached the home. So never give up. Yes. So I'll be back again with yet another beautiful and interesting story. Till then, enjoy, take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye. Bye all of you.